Coach, long deserved pause. How's the team doing right now?
Yeah, the team's been good. We've come back with a lot of energy and enthusiasm for the last part of the season. So yeah, it seems like a long time since we played. But yeah, the boys are really excited about playing on Saturday.
And what about the game on Saturday? What about Viadana? What do you think? What kind of match will be?
Yeah, look, they're proving they're a good side. They're right up there in terms of the championship. So they pushed Vizium right to the end. Obviously, we didn't play our best against Vizium, so it shows them they're going to be a tough side down there. The forecast looks like it's going to be hot as well, so it's going to test the test the conditioning of our players. So yeah, fatigue may become a factor as well.
Right now we know that mathematically we need 3 points, so basically a victory to end up the regular season, let's say, to be sure to go to the playoffs. So do you think right now there could be a little bit of maybe tension, maybe expectation for this result?
No, I don't think so. Like, we haven't spoken about that at all. We're just focused on this week in particular, just reconnecting, finding, I guess, our game, our cohesion as a group. It can be a challenge with a 2-week break, and so we've shown a little bit of rustiness, last week and then into early part of this week, but that's to be expected. So focus really is on us and trying to get a performance together that we are proud of, and try and build some momentum over the next 4 weeks.
In the players that you called for Saturday, we saw a couple of names coming back. This is very good news.
Yeah, it's good. Obviously the 2-week break serves a purpose there, where it gives a bit more time for players to recover, and certainly really exciting for potentially Thomas Parole coming off the bench. Pretty inspirational comeback to the horrific accident that happened after our first game. So pretty inspiring how hard he's worked behind the scenes to get himself available, and we're looking to get him some minutes hopefully, and him to play a good game for him.